Guys, gawa tayo ng puto. Ayan, sari-sari yung ating ingredients. Subok lang. Pumpkin. Kasi dadalawa yung aking banana. So, lawakan ko ng pumpkin, cinnamon, egg, ibap, melted butter, at yung ating mga ibang ingredients. All-purpose flour, 2, 3. Baking soda, baking powder, salt, cinnamon, 1 tablespoon, 3/4 cups of wash sugar. So, ito pala yung ating mga dry ingredients. We need to sieve it para make sure there is no lumps in our cake batter. Yan guys, ang ating iniiwasan. Kaya, lagi tayong gumamit ng strainer. Okay? So, ito yung ating dry ingredients. This is our 2 bananas and we're going to add in our pumpkin. Ayan siya. Actually guys, masarap yung balat ng kalabasa. Yan. Pwede natin gamitin na pang garnish. Diba? Gamitin natin ng ating smasher. Yan. Add in 2 large eggs. 1/4 cup melted butter. I need some vanilla. Going to mix it first. Ang sarap. Amoy pa lang. And then 3/4 cups of evaporated milk. Mix. Add in our dry ingredients. So this is our right consistency, and we should not over mix it for good result. Guys, ayaw kong sayangin yung balat ng pumpkin. So we're going to add in this for another garnish or toppings. Yan. Sarap.